Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. So, here is the task. What does this sign indicate? Number 1. Pedestrians must yield to vehicles. Number 2. Pedestrian crossing is ahead. Number 3. Pedestrians are not allowed beyond this point. Number 4. Sidewalk ends ahead. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. The No Pedestrian sign means that walking is prohibited in the area beyond the sign. This sign is usually posted on highways, bridges, tunnels, or other roads where pedestrian access would be dangerous or disruptive to traffic. So, the correct answer is number 3. Congratulations if you have chosen it. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.